Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to yet another video. Today we are going to be sharing a trick or a tip that you can use to create a variety of different patterns. As you can see here, we've been able to do the guitar, so like you can be able to do a variety like the skull, the shield. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the like button, and you can share your comments and share these videos with others. So what we do is we download a printable bead pattern. You can get this online, but if you find it hard, you can just DM me and I'll send it to you. So you just print it out, the paper, and it has the pattern that's printed out on it. Has the beads pattern that's of a right angle weave pattern. It's the same pattern that we've been doing over and over, and today I'm going to be showing you how we did this guitar. So you just basically you can either look at any, let's say like a logo or any pattern that you have. When you want to sketch it, this is the easiest place to try it out, because as you can see, the pattern here is of a plus. So the other thing is, for example, if you have, say, a picture of something that is already beaded and you would like to replicate it, you just do what we're doing here. You have the picture on your side, or the beadwork on your side, and then you use something like a pencil, because you're going to make some mistakes, of course. So remember, this is a free space. We are allowed to do mistakes and we learn from them. So you just put your piece of paper or your beadwork aside, and then you count the make sure you know the width, the number of heads that is going to be there on the width of your bracelet, so that you can be able to get it right. So then you begin uh, putting or shading each and every dot that you know is supposed to have this specific color. So for example, here we're using a pencil, but if it's something that has got maybe, say, 2 or 3 different colors, you can have 2 or more shades of colors, so that you can be able to differentiate the colors. And by doing this outline, trust me, it's going to help you, so that once you start doing your artwork, you'll be sure that it's going to come out as you had earlier drafted it on the piece of on this piece of paper. So it really makes work easy, and you can be able to come up with your own ideas. This is just a sample, but it's very possible for you to come up with very unique patterns or unique ideas. And this has really helped me in the past to make a variety of different patterns that are related to the right angle weave beading that we've been doing. If this is new to you, kindly check our playlist. We do have a variety of videos that we have done on beading, introduction to beading, and what have you. So you can be able to see and understand the right angle weave first, and then now you can be able to try out new patterns. You can even try out making a circle, a letter. um this is basically one big hack that you can use to do anything, because you'll be sure that what you have done here is what will be on the bidding platform or your artwork. So I hope you guys like this trick, and you can let me know, how do you come up with your own designs? Do you do the same, or what have you been using in the past? Kindly let me know on the comment section down below. It will be a pleasure, and I'm really grateful for all the feedback that you guys have been giving me. Remember, guys, if you would like to have more detailed classes, kindly reach out to me. The contact details are down on the description below, where we can be able to have private classes that are more detailed and more one-on-one, maybe even tailor-made to what it is that you want to do. So feel free to reach out. The contact information is down on the description below. And I hope that this trick has really helped you. As you can see, we've been able to outline our guitar there. Remember, you can twitch it, or you can put it to whatever size or design that you would want. And as you can see, this, like this tiger or any other thing you can be able to come up with. So I'm going to leave you with some pictures of a variety of different patterns that you guys can try out or get inspired from. So I really hope to see your feedback and to see what you guys have been able to create.